Okay, so I want to show you something here. This is gas bonding. So what it is it's a wire, ground wire, that's attached to the gas line. And this wire will run all the way to the cold water coming in from the house. And what this is doing is, in case a live wire falls on the gas line, it makes this whole entire metal gas line live. Whereas the bonding, what it does is it takes that away and brings the circuit down to the ground outside. So this is very key to see, and it's very common not to see this because it's one of those battles between whose responsibility is it? Is it the gas guy or is it the electrical? Because they both have a little bit to do with both. But typically when someone's putting in a new water tank or a new furnace, they should make sure that the bonding does exist. So this is good to see.